Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our group assignment 1 about a fascinating marine fish known as seahorse.
Seahorses are small fascinating marine fish known for their distinct horse-like heads and upright swimming posture. In this assignment, we will explore about a species which is Hippocampus tremaculatus. Let's explore more about their taxonomic classification for their domain, Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Signiformes, family Cygnathidae, genus Hippocampus, and lastly about their species which is Tremaculatus. As you can see here, this is the detailed information about taxonomic classification specifically for Hippocampus tremaculatus. So firstly is domain Eukaryota, organism whose cells have a membrane-bound nucleus. Next is kingdom Animalia. Members of this kingdom are characterized by being eukaryotic, multicellular, heterotrophic, lacking a cell wall, and mostly are motile. It's separated into two categories, which is invertebrata and vertebrata. Next is phylum Chordata, which is animals that share certain key characteristics at some stage of their development. First, notochord, which refer to elastic rod to provide rigid support for chordate organism. Next is dorsal hollow nerve cord, which is unique embryonic feature found in chordates. Next is pharyngeal slits. It's referred to organs which is filter feeding organs found among deuterostome or mouth saccade. Next and lastly is post-anal tail. So for next is the class Actinopterygii, which is a major taxonomic class or subclass of fish known as the ray fin fish. Their characteristic: first, ray fin structure, swim bladder, gills, scales, and diversity. For the order, which is Cygnathiformes, it refers to unique family of fish. First, they have elongated body. Next, body armor, unique mouth structure, reproductive behavior, and their habitat in shallow coastal water associated with seagrass bed, coastal reef, and mangrove. For the family, Cygnathidae is a family of fish which includes seahorses, pipe fishes, and sea dragons. They have elongated body with bony armor, tubulous nose, male pregnancy, and habitat in shallow coastal water. For the genus Hippocampus, it refers to seahorse, and last but not least is species, which is Tremaculatus, referred to three-spot seahorse.
Okay, now let's see about the seahorse characteristic. For appearance, seahorses have horse-like head, prehensile tail, independently moving eyes, and brood pouch. They have long, tubulous nose and small, toothless mouth. Their bodies are covered with consecutive rings of bony plates. Seahorses vary in size, ranging in length from about 2 to 35 cm, about 0.8 to 14 inches. What about their habitats? Seahorses are found in shallow coastal water in latitudes from about 52 degrees north to 45 degrees south. Their habitats include coral reef, mangrove, seagrass bed, and estuaries.
So let's move on to their undercover. Seahorses are usually found clinging to the plants or corals with their tails. Their sedentary habits, coupled with excellent camouflage abilities, render them successful ambush predators. When small organisms swim nearby, a seahorse may capture them by rapidly sucking them into the mouth. Seahorses also rely upon camouflage to avoid predators such as crabs and other fishes. So moving on to breed. What is breed anyway? Breed, or the reproductive behavior of seahorses, is notable in that the male carries the fertilized eggs. After an elaborate courtship, the female uses an ovipositor, which is egg duct, to place her eggs into a brood pouch located at the base of the male's tail, where the eggs are later fertilized. Depending on the species, the eggs remain in the pouch between 10 days and 6 weeks. During this time, the male nurtures the developing young by regulating the chemistry of the fluid inside the pouch, slowly transforming it from that of his internal body fluids to that of the salt water as pregnancy progresses. Once the egg hatched, the male convulses his body and expels the young through a single opening in the pouch. The young are miniature versions of their parents that receive no further care.
So for now, let's talk about the ecological importance of Hippocampus tremaculatus. Hippocampus remaculatus can help in biodiversity and genetic resilience. It is because Hippocampus remaculatus population exhibit high genetic diversity with various haplotypes and also provides insight into population connectivity that is essential for marine biodiversity conservation. Moreover, Hippocampus remaculatus can also be an indicator of habitat health as they are often found in seagrass beds and coral reefs, making them indicators of habitat quality and vulnerable to habitat degradation, so their population health reflects the health of these ecosystems. Furthermore, the diet and role of Hippocampus remaculatus as predator can help in maintaining the population and balance in ecosystem. For example, Hippocampus remaculatus have its diet consists of plankton and small crustaceans that get sucked in through its snout. Last but not least, Hippocampus remaculatus have economic value and conservation need as they are frequently harvested and used in traditional Chinese medicine.
For conclusions, the three-spot seahorse, scientifically known as Hippocampus drimaculatus, is a captivating species that adds a touch of grace to any marine aquarium. This species is distinguished by its slender body adorned with small spots and a unique coronet on its head. The coloration of these seahorses can vary widely, ranging from yellow to brown, and they can even change color to blend with their surrounding. These species have their own ecological importance that help in maintaining their population, such as being an indicator of habitat health.
Thank you for watching. See you soon.